Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Awesome Fine Art. Today I'm so excited to show you how to make a simple, quick and classy abstract painting with my most favorite color combination of black, white and gold. With this combination I'm sure nothing can go wrong, and it naturally gives a luxury style, beautiful effect on the artwork that we are going to be creating. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing, because I share my easy to learn art tips and techniques which anyone can follow quickly, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm using a black canvas of 6 inches by 6 inches, but if you don't have a black canvas you could use a white canvas and apply a layer of black gesso or black paint and let it dry, and then you can start the painting. And I'm also using gold leaf sheets for this painting, which is usually available in the art store. I will put the link in the description box just in case if you want to buy online or something. So let's get started with this beautiful abstract painting, and I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for visiting my channel again.